In today's video, I'm going to show you how to secure the Firefox browser with a few simple settings that can make a big difference to your privacy and safety online. If you use Firefox every day for browsing, work, banking, or even just watching videos, these steps will help lock things down and reduce tracking, unwanted access, and security risks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, you're ready to adjust the built-in security settings. Next, click the menu button in the upper right corner of the browser. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open Firefox's settings page where you can control privacy, permissions, and security options. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Firefox keeps the most important options for protecting your browsing activity, blocking trackers, and managing website access. One of the best things you can do right away is enable Enhanced Tracking Protection. Under that section, select Strict for stronger privacy protection. Strict mode blocks more trackers, fingerprinting attempts, and cross-site tracking than the standard setting, which means websites will have a harder time following you around the internet. If you want better privacy overall, this is one of the most important changes you can make. After that, scroll down to the Permissions section. This is where Firefox controls what websites are allowed to access on your device. Take a moment to review every permission carefully, especially for websites you no longer trust or no longer use. Start with camera. If a site has access that it does not need, remove it. Then check microphone permissions and do the same. After that, look at location access. If a website does not genuinely need to know where you are, revoke that permission too. Next, review notifications. Since many websites request notification access just to send spammy alerts or promotional messages, you should also inspect any other site permissions that may be listed and remove access wherever it is not necessary. The idea here is simple. Only keep permissions enabled for websites you truly trust. If you do not actively use a website anymore, there is no reason for it to keep access to your camera, microphone, location, or notifications. Cleaning this up makes your browser more secure and gives you much better control over your data. Now, let's make sure Firefox itself is fully up to date, because browser updates often include security patches and important bug fixes. Click the menu again, then go to Help and select About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, let it install completely. Keeping your browser updated is one of the easiest ways to protect yourself from known security vulnerabilities. Once the update check is finished, Firefox may prompt you to restart, or it may simply show that you're up to date. Either way, make sure you're running the latest version before you finish. Finally, close the Settings tab. Firefox automatically saves your changes, so you do not need to click any extra Save button. Your privacy settings, tracking protection, and permissions changes will remain in place. And that's it. You've now taken a few important steps to secure Firefox and improve your browsing privacy. You've enabled stronger tracking protection, reviewed website permissions, and made sure the browser is updated with the latest fixes. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to comment if you want more browser security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.